Hey everybody, welcome again. I'm Mike and I'm glad you're here. This one's going to be a fairly quick video. I don't have any wood turning to show you this week because I've been working a lot. Usually have Fridays off and sometimes weekends, but I worked week before last all week. I worked last weekend and all this week, and I'm out of town working this weekend, which is why it looks like I'm in a hotel room, because I am. But don't worry, I'm not telling the world that my family's home alone, because by the time you see this, I'll be back home. But I also do classes at night, Monday through Wednesday. So, not making excuses, but kind of am. That's, if you've noticed, I'm kind of slow to respond to some of your comments. That's why, because I don't have a whole lot of free time. But anyway, I got a couple stickers. That's what I want to do, because I don't know when I'm gonna get to turn again. But I did want to did want to show you guys these stickers and these. Alright, so the first one is from Lynn Mandeville from Massachusetts. It's Lynn's Pins. I don't know if you can see his email address there, if you want a pin from him. He is part of a turning club in Massachusetts, and it is the Massachusetts South Shore Woodturners. And I'll leave a link at the bottom to their website, because you got to check these out. They have got some impressive stuff going on. I wish I was closer. We don't have any clubs close to where I am, but these guys, I could learn a lot from these guys. It's a lot of good stuff in there. So go check them out. And the next sticker I have is from Doug Miller at Wood Spun Round. Doug has a YouTube channel, and I'll put a link to that down at the bottom. Go check him out. He does some great work, and he does a real good job of explaining what he's doing too. So I think his channel is somewhat new, but you can tell he's been turning for a while. He's just he's real good, like I said, explaining what he does. He does some good work. So I think that's it. Go check these guys out, and I hope I can get back to turning soon. But if not, I'm still watching you guys if you have channels. So as always, I hope you have a blessed day and that things are going well for you. Stay safe and try to spread some love, because there ain't enough of it in the world these days. So take care.